Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right in the Play Store app. Don't waste time. Open the app and tap your profile icon in the top right. Once done, go straight to Settings, then to Network Preferences or App Settings depending on your version. You need this route because the auto update controls live inside these menus. Make sure your device has network access and you know which Google account is active. Otherwise, you might change settings for the wrong profile and miss the option you're after. Now change the actual update behavior. Tap Auto Update Apps and choose Don't Auto Update Apps to stop updates entirely. If you prefer control, pick Auto Update over Wi-Fi only so cellular data isn't used. For granular control, open any app's Play Store page, tap the three dots near the top, and uncheck Auto Update for that specific app. Once you finish, these settings apply to the chosen Google account. Make sure you repeat for other accounts if needed to avoid unexpected updates. Finish by restarting the Play Store or your device so new settings take effect immediately. If options don't stick, clear the Play Store cache and storage from Settings app's Google Play Store, then reopen and reapply choices. If you still see auto updates, make sure you change settings for the correct Google account and repeat per app toggles after any Play Store updates, because interface changes can reset visibility. This often resolves stubborn cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.